how to use the text to image AI tool within Canva. That's what I'll be showing you today. I do have a pro account, but this feature is actually free on Canva at the time of making this video. So to do this, we're just going to go and create a custom size. It really doesn't matter here. Whatever it is that you're working on, you can use this tool. I'm going to just make a little mobile video project right here. On the left-hand side, we can see all of our different design features that we can use. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should be able to see the text to image tool right here. However, it is a possibility that yours won't be showing up. And if it's not showing up there, what you need to do is go over to apps. And then within the apps, you can either just search for it right up here, or you can scroll down until you see it down here, right? So kind of two different areas where you can access it. So anyways, once we click on it and we're opened up in here, this is where we type what we want the AI to generate for us. So maybe I just want something like a guitar laying in green grass. And then before we end up generating the image here, we can also choose all these different styles. We can try and make it photorealistic. If we go to see all, we'll see that we have many more options here for us. We even have like art options that we can choose from. I'm just going to go for photorealistic. And then we can also choose our aspect ratio. So since I'm already making a video project here, I'm going to go ahead and select portrait. And now I'll go ahead and select create your image. It does take some time, but it's only a couple seconds and it really doesn't take too long at all. Once it is done, it's going to generate 4 different images. So if I like some of these images here, I can go ahead and just select them, and then it will import it into my project, and it's automatically going to upload it into my uploads as well, because this is now my original AI generated image here. But if you're not happy with the results, then you can always keep the same text within this box, and maybe you want to try for a different style. Like I'll go for dreamy, and then I'll say create again, and then it will generate 4 new images for us. And we can keep on doing this over and over and over again with different styles until we get the one that we want. So yeah, just wanted to come on and give you a quick tutorial of how to use the text to image AI tool within Canva. Hopefully this video helped you out, and I'll see you on the next one.